if it's gonna work out. Only have 18% battery on the GoPro, but here we go. That rhymed. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Bars! Alright, so this is a little bit of a impromptu video that I decided to make on my way to work. And I just want to talk about can this see me? I hope this can see me. Just talking about the car so far. So this morning, literally, I decided that I'm gonna get this tuned. Now the car so far is stock, like 100% stock. No mods done to it. Well, no like performance mods done to it. I like the sound of that Infinity. And you can see, if you can see the rev counter, the RPMs, quite a bit of rev hang. Now it's not like offensive the way, you know, the 10th gen SI, the 11th gen SI is a little better, I heard, but it's not as bad as those cars, but it's still noticeable to the point where it's annoying. I heard that in the 10th gen SI and the 11th gen SI, you have enough time to fucking watch a whole movie before the revs fall. Now, this isn't quite that long, but it's long enough that I'm starting to notice. And just for a little background information, this is my, I guess, my second manual car, third manual car that I've ever driven. And a lot of things I didn't notice right away, a lot of things that people said about the rev hang and whatnot, I honestly did not notice the rev hang at first. But now that I'm getting more comfortable with driving, now I notice it. It's good for downshifting because it makes downshifting easier, but as far as normal driving, rev hang is kind of annoying. Also, fucking, I'm not sure on the exact numbers, but stock, I'm pretty sure VTEC activates 6,000, either 5,500 or between 5,500 and 6,500, but I think it's 6,000 is when VTEC activates stock. And again, it didn't bother me at first because I didn't mind revving the shit out of the car all the time, because, you know, I was like a kid in a candy store. But now when I want a little bit of power, having to wait until 6,000 plus to get VTEC is a little annoying. So a tune, even though the car's completely stock, would remedy that as well. And also I think it the tune increases the red line to about 8,500 from Honda at least. And I think I will enjoy that. I tried to hold off until, you know, I got an intake, I got a header, I got an exhaust to decide to tune it. But then when you think about it, every time you put a mod on the car, the best practice is to tune it so the car will run correctly, it won't run too lean or yada yada yada. But would it not make sense to just tune it on a stock tune first, and then when I start getting mods, I can, you know, tune it every time I put a new mod in? So I think that's the direction I'm gonna go with the car right now. And also, if I tune it now, right away, get a nice stock tune going, I won't feel that bad about doing, you know, the best practice that everyone says, which is get tires, brakes, and suspension first. And I feel that because the car is already fun. Obviously, it's not all that fast. Oh no, school zone. I fucked up, didn't I? Damn. But everyone says rev hang helps for that. And that's about it. Yeah, because people say tires, suspension, and wheels first. Okay, fine. I understand. So this way, I could get a tune first, smoothing out the power band, get VTEC to activate earlier, get a higher RPM redline, get rid of the rev hang. At least I've done something performance-wise, and then I can just focus on suspension and tires. So yeah, that's about where I am with the car. I was hoping to get into some VTEC. On my way to work, but I did not know that kids were back in school. I had no idea. Terrible roads, terrible Florida roads. Brake check. Brakes are solid, not even gonna lie. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.